Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to disassemble the W700 Super SWAT airsoft sniper rifle. Alright, first what you want to do is take off your scope, set that aside, take off bipod if you have one, take off the magazines, right, we want to get to take the stock off the outer barrel and the trigger mechanism. You want to get right at the end here by the barrel. There's a screw, undo that. Just further down, you've got the rail that the bipod is attached to. Take out this screw. You don't need to worry about this one. Just take out this one here. There's a screw by the trigger guard, and take that out. Okay, now that should just, the top bit should literally just pull out of the stock, like so. So you've got the stock here, just put that aside. There's nothing else that needs to be done on that. And we're left with the bolt, trigger, and the outer barrel. Okay, last time I did this, I couldn't get my safety back in, and I know how to actually put it back in where it goes, but it's just too fiddly, so I'm not going to show you how to do it because I can't really do it. And if you do this yourself, I'm not responsible for you breaking it or anything like that, so just be cautious and just follow my steps. This is where it gets a little bit more tricky. Okay, so we have the cylinder. I don't think I've tried getting into it, but I don't think you can, to be honest. You can see the spring in there, and the piston, but you can't really get in it somehow. Anyway, put that aside. And what we have here are you've got the mag release switch for the drum mag here, and the spring. What I've done is I super glued one end of the spring there because it's a little bit fiddly. I find it helps. And if this happens to you where it's all, you're basically left with this because it flies out, I'll show you how to put it back together. But yeah, this is what you can get it down to. So we've got this bit where the trigger is held, the trigger assembly, the mag catch, the other half, we've got the bolt, top metal, the top plastic guard, should I call it, bits of the bolt, bits of the outer barrel, rails, screws, trigger guards. Oh, what else we've got is, we also have, here is the hop-up chamber. That's your little stick mag adapter. But okay, here we have a hop-up. So you can unscrew that if you want. That's only like to adjust the hop-up. And you can, I don't know if you can see that down there. It's a little silver bit, silver ring. But if you push that out, yeah, you have like a rubber sleeve over a metal tube, and you can see where, if you take it out, you can see where this like rutted bit joins in here. So it's not really hard to put that together. And same thing goes there with that rut there. You just simply put it back in. Like so. Then just push it back in until eventually it will stop on its own. But yeah, that is the hop-up. Don't lose that screw, to be honest. Okay. Yeah, that concludes the disassembly. I'll put a link in the video, up in the top corner somewhere, to the reassembly. Okay, thank you for watching.